Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Craft World by Garv. My name is Garvig, and guess we're going to be making today? A flip book. So, a flip book is a stack of paper which you try to make an animation with. So, a flip book is like this. So now once you saw that flip book, the materials you need is index cards. You could use a notebook or post-it notes, some markers, a pencil, and a light source. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an iPad for my light source. Or you could use a phone. So let's get started. So I got around 20 index cards. You could use more. So let's start with the first card. So first we're going to be drawing the soil. So draw a little curve and then kind of like a mountain shape, except there's like this curve down here. And then it's like a half. Do the same thing like this. So now it should look something like this. So now that's going to be your soil. Take your next index card, put it on top of the first index card, and put it on the light source. So then you should be able to see through your previous drawing. Then you're going to draw the same thing. And then I'm going to keep adding more and more details to my flower. So now that I'm done with my flip book, let's see how it looks. Now once we're done with our flip book, we're gonna start coloring it. Now that we're done coloring our flip book, let's see how the final print looks. As always, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys! See you soon in the next video!